This is a high-level introduction to TimberScan for approvers and management. TimberScan is an automated AP approval, routing, and management system that we designed exclusively for Timberline, now known as Sage 300 Construction and Real Estate. The foundation of TimberScan is your business rules. When you set up TimberScan, you define your users and you define how you want invoices routed. Once that's set, then all other data is coming from the Timberline database. The workflow is very simple. Invoices are scanned in TimberScan. We have an optional capture module which will read the invoices and extract the data. Once the invoices are scanned, they flow to data entry. Once they are entered in data entry, they go to the right approver. And once they've gone through the approval process, they flow into Timberline. Once the invoices are data entered, they automatically flow to the right approver. The approver will get an email notification and they would sign on to TimberScan and they can start approving all their invoices, or they can filter them based on various criteria. If there are any notes or messages from accounting, they will automatically pop up so the approver knows what the status is on this invoice. The approver now has all the documentation they need to start reviewing this invoice to see if they're ready to approve it. The invoice is there as well as the supporting document. They can view the supporting documents side by side. If this isn't their invoice, they can simply click on Reject and send it back to data entry to be recoded. Note that this invoice isn't completely coded. It still found the approver based on the business rules. Now, if the approver has the rights to complete the coding, they can simply type the coding in, or they can click on List. It will give them a list of the regular cost codes from Timberline, and they can find the appropriate cost code and category. And once they're done, they can complete the coding, approve the invoice, and go to the next invoice. If the invoice was coded, the approver can simply point to the cost code and it'll tell you what the cost code is, what the budget is, what's been invoiced, and what's in the approval process. If the approver needs to put notes on an invoice, they can record comments, or if they want to put a notation right on the invoice, TimberScan has sticky notes capability where they can just simply point to an area and type in whatever they want to say. And that becomes a permanent part of the record once it's saved. If the approver needs to review cost to date and they have the authority to do so, they can simply click on this job button and get a report. TimberScan reporting is exceptional. Not only is it giving you the information that's been posted to Timberline, but it also gives you the information that's still in the approval process. This gives you data that's up to the minute. While reviewing this information, if you don't recognize something, you can simply point to it, like a GL account code, or a cost code, or a job, or a commitment. It gives you a breakdown of what that is. Now, if you need to look up something specific, you can simply click on this column and pull up whatever you need to see, and it'll pre-filter it. There's a lot of additional filtering capabilities within TimberScan. You can view the detail images as well as any supporting documents that are there. Once you find what you want, there's all kinds of reporting capabilities and the ability to put things into Excel. The beauty of TimberScan is that this reporting comes free with the system. It doesn't require you to buy anything additional from Timberline. Once the approver is done reviewing this invoice, they can then either approve it, they can skip it, they can put it on hold, they can put it on hold in AP. Once they approve it, it can go to a second approver or a third approver, and once it's gone through the approval process, it flows directly into Timberline. It's a live link to the Timberline database. Thank you for this opportunity to show you TimberScan. If you need additional information, you can contact our sales manager, Sandra Reeders. Thank you and have a great day.